Good day, sir. I'm Joseph Ramil Moreno from Section Alpha. Today I will discuss my research about comparative system Palestine versus Israel. The Palestine system of Israel and Palestine are deeply intertwined and shaped by the ongoing conflict between the two. This conflict situation results in distinct approaches to law enforcement with each side facing unique challenges and constraints. Israel Palestine System, a national force with internal security purpose. The Israel Police is a national force responsible for maintaining order and security throughout Israel. Includes areas under Israel control in the West Bank and the